In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to expand an image in Photoshop quickly and easily. Here we have this image, and I want to increase its width to make the background wider. So, let's see how to do that step by step. First, select the crop tool from the toolbar. Now simply drag the handles outward to increase the width of the canvas. Once you do that, you'll see three fill options appear: background, generative expand, and content aware fill. Let's start with the first one, Generative Expand. Choose Generative Expand and then click Generate. Photoshop's automatically analyze your image and generate new areas to seamlessly match your photo. It usually gives you three variations, so you can pick the one that looks best for your composition. Now, let's move on to the second method. This time, choose Content Aware Fill from the same drop-down menu. When you apply it, Photoshop fills the new area using the nearby pixels from your image. It tries to create a natural extension of the background. The result is quite good, though sometimes you may notice a few repetitive patterns or texture similarities. So it really depends on your image and what kind of background you're working with. Both Generative Expand and Content Aware Fill can help you extend your image in just a few seconds, saving you a lot of time compared to doing it manually with cloning or painting tools. So next time you need to make your photo wider or taller, try these smart options and let Photoshop's AI do the heavy lifting for you.